been to every continent apart from Antarctica. I was in Finland and I was filming and we were trying to capture the Northern Lights and we didn't. But on the way back, all of a sudden they appeared and I was stood in the middle of a field at midnight looking at the best display of the Northern Lights ever. A load of wolves started howling. It was just incredible. Moments like that, they're great moments in travel, I think. I don't want to get a likeness, I want to get a feeling of it. If you're painting anything, you're going to start studying it, you're going to look at it in a way that you wouldn't look at it ever before.
I write because I don't know how not to write. A short piece of writing should be very personal to you. If it's travel writing, you want to conjure back the smells and the heat and memories that are beyond your normal everyday life. On the ship, I will be capturing comedy gold. I'll be eavesdropping like crazy.
I'm looking to capture something that will evoke an emotion in the viewer, something that feels very real moments of connection or joy. It's almost like sort of wildlife photography. You wait, and then you know when it's coming and you sort of capture it discreetly. It's not until you start travelling and experiencing other things that you go, wow. Making memories like that is something that is very special to me. That's what life's all about.